an insider pro tip to come out to a place called Rosebud Trail. Denise is driving so I could fly my drone. We got a nice shot, I think, coming in, but now we're on this dirt road, which looks really friendly. Looks really friendly for, you know, two-wheel drive SUVs, but it just makes you rattle your ass off. Listen. Oh God. And driving this every day with your car can't be good for it. Oh God. Check engine light's already on too, which is so awesome on a road trip. Oh well, the hike's supposed to be pretty. We shall see.
I have to be prepared if a bear is gonna get me.
She is getting her... Oh God. We were gonna give up on Billings altogether and just call it a pass overnight.
We sure were.
And we just drove an hour and a half or hour and 45 this morning to this place called Rosebud Trail.
Rosebud Lake.
Rosebud Lake.
And we're gonna go to Elk Lake.
Which is that.
Right.
And we're going to Elk Lake, which is 3 miles up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's get a photo with Bodhi. Let me do it again. Just okay, barely.
No.
Wheat thing? Look at this place. We are literally the only people here. Bodhi is living her best life right now. She's gonna go in, get her paws wet. We all are enjoying Montana. Go to sleep.
Every